Good day everyone, my name is Ronkin Puyo. So this is my performance task of how to animation and use PowerPoint. Let's go! Hi everyone, here's how I make custom animation and text. Shape and photo. Just go to the PowerPoint, then choose your favorite style, then create. Then add title. It depends on your what you like to put in the title. But there's mine, I add Ronken Puyo Captain Ball of SFC. So, highlights the custom animation, text to change the font you like or favorite. Then you can also change the size of the text. I click random bars animation. Next is emphasize animation, followed by click the more accent effects. Entrance emphasizes and expect effects. And now, after you're done, add some transition that start from the beginning. And next, click the slide and let's go to the shape and photo. Same process. Insert shape, then choose what you like or prefer, then drag it. And if you like to change the color, just click shape fill. Next is add some photos. Same process. Just click and add animation, entrance, and animation and emphasize. So guys, that's same process. That's custom animation. It is very basic for me. Now it's very basic, guys. The shape and picture that's text. I add animation. That's wonderful. That's all. Bye.